Hello everyone, let's deal with subtraction of base numbers today. Subtraction of base numbers today. Just the same way we deal with base 10 numbers, where we borrow numbers to add to the preceding numbers, it's the same way we're going to deal with these other base numbers when we are subtracting numbers. But let me remind us of that of base 10 numbers. We've been given 4, 5, 3, take away 2, 1, 9. We've been given that number to solve to take away 453 minus 219. Take away 219 from 415. Usually we arrange our numbers 4, 5, 3, 9, 1, 2. We want to subtract. Remember I told you, if a base is not specified, that number is a base 10 number already. There's no specific base written on these numbers. So we are dealing with base 10 numbers. 3 take away 9 is not possible. So you borrow 1 from 5, you're left with 4. The one you borrowed, add it to 3, that becomes 13. That one you borrowed is not actually 1 as a unit number. That one you borrowed is according to the base you're dealing with, and this is a base 10 number. So that one you borrowed is actually 10, not 1. So that is why when you add it up to 3, it becomes 13. So we have 13 take away 9. That will give us 4. 4 take away 1 is 3, and 4 take away 2 is 2. So our answer is 234. Now let's try that with other base numbers. You're given 5, 1, 5, 1, 2, base 7, take away 1, 6, 5, base 7. Solution. The number we have there is base 7. So we want to take it out. 5, 1, 2, 5, 6, 1. They are base 7 numbers. I want to subtract. 2 take away 5 is not possible. So you borrow 1 from 1, your left is 0. Add that number here. That number you borrowed is not just 1, but it's 7. The number you borrowed is 7, not 1. That one you borrowed here is 7, because the base we are dealing with is base 7. When we dealt with base 10, the one we borrowed from 5, we said it was 10 that we borrowed. When we added it up to 3, it became 13. But now we are dealing with base 7. So the one we borrowed from 1, that was left with 0, that one we borrowed is 7. So it is 7 will be adding to 2, and that will give us 9. So when you add 7 to 2, you have 9. So 9 take away 5 is 4. 0 take away 6 is not possible. Borrow 1 from 5, you're left with 4, but that one you borrowed is 7. So 7 take away 6 is 1. 4 take away 1 is 3. So our answer is 314 base 7. Our answer is 314 base 7. So you can see that this is how you subtract numbers of all kinds of bases that are less than 10. This is the method you apply. So whenever you're subtracting numbers, the base should be considered. If you know what the base is, you can easily deal with such number. Yes, you can easily deal with such number. Let's try another example here. Let's try another example. Still on subtraction. Let's try another example. Still on subtraction of base numbers. Let's try 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 1 is 2 minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is 2. So we have solution. We've been asked to subtract that number. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 is 2 minus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is 2. We've been asked to subtract. So we have 1 take away 1 is 0. 0 take away 1 is not possible. Borrow 1 from here, the level is 0, but the number you borrowed is 2 because the base is 2. So 2 take away 1 is 1. 0 take away 0 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. 1 take away 1 is 0. Bring down the 1. So here's our answer in base 2. As simple as this. So this is how you go about subtracting numbers of different bases. You can deal with it. Just consider the base you're dealing with and carefully apply it, and know that whatever number you borrow is the same as the base you are dealing with. So take note of that to help you get the right answers. So see you in our next other class.